Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use unique filter in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to use unique filter in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to use unique filter in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our table. We want the unique department here. So let's type equal unique tab and choose our range. Okay, press enter. We added a new department like this. New department. It will automatically add it here on this list. Let's go back. Now we want to know the names of each department like this. Marketing department. Okay, equal filter, then choose all the table, our range, all the table, then comma, then conditional as a department, then equal, then let's choose marketing or this cell. Okay, now he gives you all what you want for this department for marketing. Let's change it to another thing like sales. It gives you all the names for this department too. Another department. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use unique filter in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.